Mr. STD bringing you the news and jail reports. Bitches hashtag crack40TV sub up or oil up.
It's Mr. STD, the coldest news reporter and jail site reporter in the motherfucking game, bitches. Why, here's Clarence Cox, better known to me as Willie Cox. Well, we'll call him Willie Tyrone Davies right now. He just got done doing 12 years in prison. And hey, stupid ass Free Willie. Well, he went back yesterday to Hardin County Sheriff's. Well, according to the news report they laid out there, they was watching Willie, and they must have been watching Dirk Stevenson and another boy there, and they was trafficking some methamphetamines, great days, some heroin there, you know. They was had them some Subutex, some Suboxone, I guess, some syringes, you know, them old dirty needles. Well, they went up there, pulled a kick dog, bucked Willie's ass up. Mr. Willie Tyrone Davies, he's one solid son of a bitch. He might get out. He just got a 5K bond. I seen him the other day, told me he's sober, doing good. Well, I got him for heroin, Xanax, 20 drugs there. Got him for some needles. Well, he's 35. He's been doing time since he's 18. Mr. Officer Reed, who hit you hard like Ed Reed, he come in with the register. Well, it's a good thing Lee's got his eyes shut, 'cause they're crossed as a fucking crossword puzzle word. Don't play poker with him in jail, 'cause they can look every which way at one time. Call him John Cena. Well, he got public intoxication. They got a 750 bond. Well, he's on that chicken feed there. Man, it's the Lee's raising hell, whooping people with that goddamn cane, swiping the police. Lee's 51-year-old there. 6'4", Mr. Reed, who hits you hard like Ed Reed. Got him again, by God. Well, they got Miss Jessica Russell in jail there. She got an unsecured surety bond there. Menace and public intoxication explodes alcohol. I told you motherfuckers there's some bad meth going around in Hardin, and a fugitive born from another state. Well, she didn't go to court somewhere else. She's 43. Officer Josh Lewis will strangle you. He's the one that got the arrest there, by God. In other news in the county, old Top Hat Drew, he left BP down there. He jumped ship like Shaq going to the Lakers or something. Or Peyton Manning going to Denver, you know. Well, when Drew left the BP, they went out of fucking hell down there. He's a pretty little skinny red-headed girl trying to hold it down there, down there the best she can, Lord help her. Well, the commissary, they're just doing pretty good. Old Top Hat, he went down there. He changed his attitude up. He likes food stamps now, and he's pretty cool. BPs, and they need to harm some people that's got some sense down there. Other news, well, Gene Gilbert's lost his mind, and he's walking around town. No Nacho Man can do a good impression of him. Well, y'all gonna sing in the portal? Y'all gonna do that one thing tonight? Yeah, one thing y'all do up there, you know, where they drink beer, you know, that one thing they used to do a lot there. Sing, Gene? Yeah, singing a karaoke, that's it. Well, James lost his mind. He goes in there and tries to get him a free beer, wants to know what's going on. Yeah, you doing that thing y'all do on the internet in here tonight? That thing on that book or face or, yeah, that book. That's Gene. He's lost his goddamn ever-loving mind. He's walking around town. There's a few more hopeless, crazy people out here. Well, Shelton's got a call from the mayor there. Cracks the mayor, he's calling Shelton. Anyway, there's a couple more people out here in town lost their mind, and they're talking to wives and out of dumpsters. And they will call me a news station. Well, guess what? Those walls around me, motherfucker. Go sleep somewhere homeless, bitch. Other news in the county, my buddy shot his dick out for I made a report there yesterday. We love little pal, he's our friend, we ain't making fun of him in any way. I heard he still had his dick and it didn't get blowed off, but he still got, punctured by a bullet on accident. Little pal Crack Baby, and Shelton Tyrone Davies, Mr. STD, and Crack 40 family. We will hope you a speedy recovery, buddy. We want you to get better, I promise. We might have cracked a joke, but we love you, little pal. Well, in other news in the fucking world, at 6:40 p.m. on YouTube, me, Mr. STD, the coldest news reporter in the game, and the best pranker in the world, will be pranking on YouTube on Crack 40 TV. We'll be live all night. Hang on 1 second. I thought that was that pedophile, that pedophiliac, that child molesting John Howe, John D. Howe, Frog. Frog, it's a no frog zone on Crack 40 TV. He told me he fucked a girl that was 16 and he's 36. Well, 36-year-olds is too old for 16-year-olds, Frog. No frog zone. Anyway, Shelton Tyrone Davies, this is your local news for the day. Bitches, get it how you live. Mr. STD loves you. Go subscribe, sub up or all up, as my buddy Matt Lambert would say. Come and subscribe to Crack 40 TV on YouTube. I'll be live pranking with that little bitch Crack Baby right now in about 5 minutes. We're out with Shelton.